Never in a million years would I ever think I'd be spending almost $250 on a game controller. But hey, it's 2020, so here we are. All right, so this is an unboxing of the Xbox Elite Series 2. It is a wireless Bluetooth or USB connected controller. This is a Tech Thursday on my channel, so every Thursday I'll touch on technologies, either hardwares or softwares that can help you be more productive in life or in business. I've recently got a very large community of gamers that have come in and they're like, oh man, we want to play games with you. We want to do this. We want to do that. And so I'm like, you know what, screw it. So I'm starting to play some games with people online. It's been fun. Definitely check into my Weekend Warrior project. I will go ahead and put the link. You'll see it like over here somewhere, to where you can see some of the stuff that I've done. I'd love to bring you on, play Ark with you or Pokemon with you or a whole bunch of other games, a whole bunch of games out there. So definitely take a look at it, and I'd love to play with you on the weekends when I have time. So anyways, let's touch on this. You're here for the Xbox Elite Series 2, so let's do this. I'm actually going to put a link down to the seller in which I got this controller from. I bought this for about $247, and I believe the price has gone up a little bit, but I'll definitely put a link in there. And if you buy it, it'll also reward me a little bit, which is always cool. So anyways, all right, let's get into this. So first and foremost, this box is heavy. This box is heavy, very well constructed. It's pretty exciting to see what is going to be in here. So we're going to go ahead and open her up. I did pre-cut some of the tape and everything, so we're going to open her up. So I'm going to slide it up. Boom, look at that. So it actually comes in a case. So this is, I haven't played games seriously in a very long time. This is pretty cool. So it's got a cool thing. Is there anything down here? There is. All right, let's go and see what's down here first. All right, so we're going to open this up, open this up. All right, this looks like this is going to be the USB. Maybe. Can I even get this damn thing open? What is going on here? Oh, I think you just slide it out one way or another. Ugh. Oh, there's a pop right there. Almost broke a nail, damn it. All right, boom. Look at that. So you got a big old USB cable. It's got the little Xbox logo on it. And the reason why I got this is that I wanted to play wirelessly with my PC, because I've got Sasha's fingers and sometimes playing with a keyboard is just not working for me, especially in quick reaction games. And so I'm like, screw it, I'm going to play with a controller. So it's got a pretty, yeah, that's a decent cord. That cord is pretty long. So, all right, yeah, that's a fairly long cord. All right, so that's the USB. We'll go throw it over there. All right, let's get to the, oh, hold on, what's in here? Oh my God, this is heavy too. What's all in here? Oh, oh, there's the guide. Damn, what kind of controller's got a guide this big? Take it, there's probably in different languages. Warranty, look at that. All right. What? Cool. Xbox Ultimate Gaming Pass. All right. All right. So we got that. Let's move on to the good stuff. All right, let's go ahead and put this over here. We're going to go and put this over here. All right, boom. There we go. I'm going to unzip this thing. Look at that sexy beast. Look at that sexy beast right there. So there's a lot to this thing, like a lot. So looking at it, got the nice tall. Oh, they got a really nice feel to them. That direction. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this feels good. Everything feels nice and tight. Giggity. All right, so we got the triggers, you know, the typical triggers right here. But I noticed that on the back, there's also triggers. There are triggers back here. Look at that stuff. So that's pretty damn cool. It's like there's adjustable things on the back right here. It is wireless. It looks like you can plug in headphones. So you've got for like the USB as well as the headphones in there, which is really, really neat. There is just a ton of buttons on this thing. Buttons! Right? But man, it's hefty. I mean, this thing is solid, dude. Solid. All right, let's take a look at what else is in here, right? We'll just set this like right. We'll set that right there. Okay. So, from the seller that I bought, so they have interchangeable thumbsticks and directional pads. And so, and the battery life on this thing is reported to be at 40 hours. 40 hours on a charge on this thing, right? Which is pretty cool. So, gee, oh, is this the battery? This must be the battery pack. Damn. Well, that's cool. All right, so there's the pack, it looks like. I don't know if that's supposed to come off or not. Not the watch, but that's pretty cool. Okay, so now there's all the extra sticks in it. So we've got several extra thumbs. Looks like that is the tool. And we got the directional pad. But all these thumbs, let me pull one of these out here for you guys. So you've got, oh God. All right. Focus. Focus, camera. Focus. All right. Oh yeah. So not only are the tops of these things got a different texture to them, but also length. So there's giggity, which is weird because am I missing one? I think I'm missing one. Hold on a second. What? Okay, so all right, we've got. Oh no, I'm not. They're all here. So it looks like only one longer one comes with it. See, that's a longer thumb. The textures feel really good though. Textures feel really good. All right. So that is what. Oh, and another thing too is check this out. I'm not sure if I pointed this out on the case, but on the case on this thing, there's actually a charger port right there. You see that? Little charger port right there. Very cool. So you can put your battery in. I imagine you put it in like here, right? Because it goes on this little thing right here. And then you can put your controller back in the case. And then you can plug in your charger. Focus! Focus, camera. Pay $200 for a camera, doesn't focus. Focus! 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 Oh, yep, hit, up, hit. Okay. So there it is. So anyways, that right there is the Xbox Series 2. I'll leave a link on this video so you guys can take a look. Oh my God, I got crap falling everywhere. All right, so you guys can take a look. And if you want to buy it, it gives me a little bit of a kickback, which is cool. I will also be doing a review on this once I plug it in and start playing. And I will also put that on YouTube for a Tech Thursday. So anyways, guys, this is Jacob Billett, CEO of Billett Enterprises, and this is a Tech Thursday segment on the channel. If you guys like this content, definitely subscribe, hit me up, hit up my Snapchat, right? No, hit me up on Nintendo Switch or on Steam or whichever, and let's play. Let's have fun. So, anyways, because there's too much hate in the world right now, man. So, I think we all just need to chill, play some games. So, anyways, guys, there we go. There it is. Ta-da! The Xbox Elite Series 2. Focus! Xbox Elite Series 2. There it is. All right. Peace.